Working.
Yo. Okay, Uzi update. Wait, Uzi.
Baby.
Huh? No, this is actually a cool game.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, it is.
So, may hear nila ako? Ay. Bakit wala sa headset yung sound?
Di mo rinig? Ay, kaya pala.
Rinig ko dito. Saan dapat? Dito. Ano meron? Ba't ko may hear mo? Ano may hear mo?
Sound.
Wala!
Pero, hindi mo rinig. Bad na yung mga ears mo.
Wala nga! Andito nga! Wala!
Ay, oo nga eh.
Yan! Ano ba yan? Nawawala!
I think there's a problem.
Yeah, there's a big problem. Yan! Oh, ay. Ayan. Yan. Maluwag na yun. Ears ko pa may problem, ha?
Ah!
You died. Higit mo naman kasi. Try it again. Try it to check if it's working.
Working? Hindi maluwag. What do you mean? I'm not gonna play that. I wanna play.
Okay.
Hindi mo rinig. Goods.
Dapat di ko rinig para tama yung mic.
Ay!
Po yung kamay mo nandun.
You hacker. You pull hack.
Who's hacker? Who's the hacker?
You pull. Wait. Look when you type. How?
Ano how?
Orange.
Yung
Orange.
hacker?
Hindi ko alam. Sino ba? I can survive this on my own. Wala na ako marinig. Naririnig mo?
Ano? Dalawa lang kayo, anak.
Ay! Ito o So, 6 yung isa.
So, what's the meaning of that? Keep on...
That means he's a pro. A real... Again? Meow, 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 meow. Wow, 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 wow.
You know. Where do you put it? That's still... What's that for?
Okay.
Coal is for the fire.
What did you
Ayun
think?
pa, yun oh, may coal pa dun. Hindi ba yung coal? Wood pala yun.
Nahanap ko agad yung first kid. Ano ba yan?
Yan na. Kala ko ba pro yun?
Hacker to. Paano ka nakamatay? Ay,
May coal piece.
may Curtis.
Wala kang pang ano, wala kang pang axe.
Come here, come here.
Axe mo, ba't wala?
Hindi ako makuha.
What's in there?
Nothing's in here. Now, what does this mean? Am I
May
gonna
door
die
pa.
instantly? What's inside? What's inside?
May kultis, anak! Saka may guard.
Ba't nag-guard sila?
Yung mga kultis, ang dami. Ano sila? Mas ka na dyan. Ano ba yung mga yun? Ayan na yung Ayun ang mga kultis na habol ka. Diyan, safe ka. Habulin ka rin niya dyan.
Ha?
Habulin ka rin niya.
Inahabol pa ako?
Bakit?
Grabe tong kultis na to. Gustong gusto ako ipatay.
Wala na.
Wala na ba?
Ay, nandyan ba? Ayun ba? Humahabol pa tayo.
Where?
Sige, punta ka doon sa may ilaw. I can't see.
Vampire. Itong vampire yung ano. Ano, vampire siya.
Ayan, gagi ka.
Asan ba?
Ano na? Ano ang plano sa buhay mo?
Asan na?
Wala na! Wala ka namang kalaro. Mat. Saan mo dinala siya dyan?
Sinachop ko yung mga wood dito. Ba't ayaw niya? Ba't ayaw
Bilisan mo na, ba't
ma-chop?
ang tagal mo?
Ba't ayaw kasi ma-chop?
I don't know. That's not the right way. Wala na, wala ka ng fire. Bahala ka dyan.
Yes. Is this not the right
Sayang
fire?
ang time ko sa'yo magnood.
Ano nga?
Mat, hindi ka nagnoon.
1% na.
Ah,
5.
wala na yan. Mag-isa ka lang.
Leave ako.
Live ka na nga dyan. Gawa ka ng bago. Wala ka naman playmate.
Andito pa si Brent. Sino to? Sino bakit? Sino to? Brent. Ano kayang gusto mo ilaro ko?
Yan, pero gandahan mo.
Laro ko na fun.
Fun yun sa akin.
Slap battles. Maganda ako dito. Magaling
Dito ka umupo.
Galing ako. No, gusto ko dito. Ayoko malambot. I hate lambot.
Wait mo maging square.
Battles. Why? Pandasal! On the run! Ma, should we slap? Ano to?
Ayan.
Is this a decoration?
Hmm.
Decoration ba to?
Hindi. Ikaw yan.
No, is that a decoration? Ako to. Is that a decoration?
No.
Can we slap it?
Try it.
Oh!
Sao siya. What?
What the? Yeah. Huh? How did you do that?
He asked him.
Huh?
Uy, nag-i sa crown.
It's now a bear trap. Hello? Are you...
Trap yan.
Ah! Hello? Are you a trap? Is this a real trap?
Ayun na.
Ay!
Ang galing ha.
Squirrel. May mga blocks sa ngipin mo.
Pasta yun.
Ah, I'm scared of spiders. Oh, look, it's a decoration. Diba decoration yan? Decoration ba talaga yan?
Pero wala nang pumpkin.
What the hell? Why do you always do that? Stop doing it. I will slap you in your roof. Ow! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ang galing nga eh.
Bye. Have a great time.
You died. You died, anak. Ha?
Bye. Have a great time.
Ano nangyari sa kanya? Namatay ka?
Look. Kapag sinap natin, nagdadot. Sino to? Hindi ka totoo, mister. Alam ko yon. Alam ko yon. Hindi ka totoo, mister.
Ano siya?
Mister, alam ko hindi ka totoo.
Totoong ano?
Totoong parang phenomorph. That's called the prop glue. Asan na siya? Asan siya?
I don't know. Nihilo na naman ako.
Actually, where is he?
I don't know. Maybe that one, the bird.
No, that's not him.
It's him, the bird.
No, it's not him. Huh? Where'd the yellow thing go? Huh? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Behind here? It's a Lego brick. It's just a Lego brick, Mommy. It's nothing else. Oh, what the hell? What?
Hindi mo kasi siya masampay.
Huh?
Ano ba siya? Player?
Yeah, that is a player. It's a rock. Is that a normal block? Is that normal?
It's can. Never can.
Can we slap it?
Let me try it.
Okay. We can slap it. Cause it's us. I don't remember that being there.
Paano yung ginagawa? Anong class yan? Anong slap?
Ooh, what's the? Who is that?
Ano yun?
Hey, I have rights. You should not go. How is he doing that?
You ask him, bakit
He's now card. Because she's using The glove.
What glove?
Prop. The cheese glove.
You have like that?
No, it's the prop. 756.
What's 756?
Slaps is 756.
Hindi mo i-slap yun.
It's now a chicken. Chicken na siya. Why are you a chicken? My guy, you're not a chicken. You're Why was he a
Nagdadagdag
chicken?
every time you slap mo siya. Go, slap. Hindi naman nag-a-add eh. Ay, isang slap.
Ah!
Oh.
What was that? Excuse me.
Ay, parang hindi siya nag-ano.
Hindi
Hindi siya
siya
nagpa-fight back.
Yeah, because I'm slap farming him.
What is that?
Oh, he's now Can we touch that? What is that? Oh, let's touch that. Wait, no. Why can't I touch you? Come on, come here. Done. Oh, you're not dead yet. Okay.
Kalaban ba yan?
Now you're a horse.
Matthew kalaban?
Why are you a horse?
Matthew kalaban ba yan? Ba't
Wala.
di ka mag-plus 7 doon na clap?
Clap? Anong clap? Slap? I'm gonna slap him. I'm gonna slap farm this guy.
Bakit?
We're gonna keep slapping him.
So that?
Yeah, cause look, my slaps is going up when I slap him. Oh.
Ayun na. Natin. Napunta ka dun
Yes,
sa-
yes, let's get it! 10 plus slap!
Kaya nga, ba't di mo kinukuha yung plus 10, plus 7?
What is that? Ba't ganito na yung map? Is it because we're close to Halloween or something?
Dali.
Why?
Yung plus.
Is that a prop?
Bilis.
Di yan totoo. Totoo ba yan?
Oh, plus 1 slap.
Plus 1 sila. When will I get 800 slaps?
Para saan?
Tamo ipapo.
So, hit up.
This, you will fall. Ah! No, look. Bro fumbled so badly.
Ayan, yan, yan.
Yeah.
Oh,
One slap again, Lily.
okay.
Really, one slap. Really.
Yan, may umakit. Ayun na siya. Yung nag-glitch. Yan na yan. Yung
Yan yung nag-glitch, di ba?
isa ayun. Wala, patay ka dyan. Ay, nahulog. Hindi na siya mag-ibon. Ayun na yung dalawang umakit na. Anak na isa, ayun o. Matthew, ayan na. Ayan na. It's coming, Matthew.
He's coming. He's coming! Yeah. Hey, hey! What are you doing? Oh,
I'm a guard.
oh, you're guarding me, okay. Why are you so fast?
Maniwala ka dyan na guard yan.
Are you fast?
Saan paling ka niyan?
Why you fast?
Sige nga, guard daw siya. Sige,
Oh, he's
sige.
actually here. He is... ano yun? Ah! Oh, okay. Ayan. Ayan! Yeah!
Ano yan?
Yeah!
Ano yun?
Yes! Do it! Come on!
Ano yun?
Yeah! Wait, no. Now I'm locked here. I can't get out.
O, diba? Ingat ka.
Oh, wait. I can actually touch laps here and here. But I just can't... Oh. I can just do this. I can just do that, Ma. Ma, I can just do that. So easy, just do this.
Yeah, sunod.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. No. I have materialized. I can teleport over.
Ay, nakang bigagay.
Oh, I think that's why.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Huh? Why do I hear
Puno na red.
a builder?
Kaso ano ka na? Wow, 9 slaps.
Yeah! I got 100! Do I touch that?
No, mamatay ka, Enot ka.
How do I get on the other side?
You walk.
I believe I can fly.
Hallelujah.
How is he getting on there?
Kasi kanya rin eh. Umax ka.
Ah!
Punta ka dun.
Ba't ang liit? Bro, my God, why is it so small?
Ayan. Inayos na niya. Hala. Hindi ka na makakadaan sa dulo. Inayos na niya, anak. We're safe.
Yeah, because I can just look. Oh, mommy, I can teleport.
Kalaban.
What the? Who's that? Oh wait, is that? Oh,
Ayan, ayan.
oh,
Ayun ako niya may.
red slap. Yippee, mine.
Guys, ano ka?
Did you just electrocute yourself? Oh, look. Oh, well. He's jumping. That means he's actually a guard.
Hindi ka niya ina-attack, right?
Andito na yung balloon. Yung nag-use ng balloon. Hi, who's this guy? Mate, who are you?
Ay, nakuha niya yung 10 slap.
Really, bro? Hey, look, it's my other bodyguard. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, other bodyguard ko yan. No! Don't stay there! You'll get slapped! Oh.
Who knows?
Mommy, this is actually...
Yung red slap.
Look, this is actually...
Hindi mo na naman nakuha. Kung ano-ano.
Look, this is actually convenient. Because look, I can teleport over. No, I choose to go on this side. I choose to go on this side. I don't want to get slapped. Who is that? Oh! I see what you're doing, my guy.
What?
He's using spit. Hey! Hey! You're gonna die up there, you know?
Ayan.
Who are you? Yes! I got it first! Hey, hey!
One slap lang.
I'm gonna slap you off the map. Actually, where is it?
Kaya siya nandiyan. Nagkukuha siya ng mga slap-slap para dumami. Kasi dyan pumupunta yung mga red slaps eh.
There's actually a golden slap that will
Ayun,
spawn.
nandun sila sa taas.
Asan na yung golden slap? When kaya magsuspawn ang gold? No! He got 8 slaps.
You should be near that phone.
Stop doing that! Stop doing that! You're gonna die! Bye, have a great
Ay,
time.
hindi mo, magkaka-red. Kung may namamatay, nagkaka-red slap. Ayan na. Intruder?
Yes.
Huwag ka na magsalita.
Oh!
Dali, dali.
Pag may namatay nga!
Yes! Ano ba ngayon mo na nalaman? Every time na may malaglag, merong red slap na mapupunta sa iyo. Diyan.
Okay, I will slap that guy off.
And then, wag! Yan yung kaibigan niya eh. Yung nag-iiba-iba ng Halloween yung eklabo.
Siya yung nagsisteal ng slap.
O, tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo, hindi magsaspawn. Walang
Ay.
magsaspawn. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, you just have to wait not to slap somebody off.
Ayun na!
Ayan. Ha? Did I get... I'm gonna slap you off the map.
Wag! Yan yung ano ah.
It's the balloon guy again! Yeah. How are you gonna get down?
Ano ba kailangan mo?
12,000.
For what?
A new slap. Just a new slap. Can I slap this guy?
No.
I'm gonna slap this guy there. Para hindi siya mahu...
Oh, di ba nahuli?
How did you have? He literally just... He can't die like that. Should we join?
No.
Hey, what are you doing? Are you gonna... Okay, fly, fly.
Huwag ka na magsalita. Ah, this has been too good for it.
Oh, hell no!
Ah, ikaw yung slap niya.
Hell no! Oh, wait. Can't I just do this? Hey, this is easy actually. Fudge, somebody's gonna slap me off. I knew it! You... I hate this.
What?
Do you hear it?
No. They're killing you.
This has been good for far too long. What do you mean, far too long?
Masyado ka na daw masarap buwan mo. O, yan na.
Ah! Yes! Slap him! Slap him! No! Ah!
Pwede ba? Nagpre-pretend siyang gano'n.
Wait!
Ikaw na yung...
Wait! I have a plan. I'm gonna use jet. This is actually easy. This is gonna be easy to kill this guy. It's gonna be so easy to kill this guy, bro. This guy is gonna be so easy to kill. Did he die yet? No, he still hasn't died. You!
Ayan siya.
You, can I slap you? Hey, no, stop! Oh! Yes!
Ala, still... Really, okay
He's
ka
still
lang.
alive. He's now dead.
Ikaw din, din.
Mater! Use mater! Yes, he can't. Oh. Hey, you can't slap me in that form. Hey, haha. What was that? Hindi niya ako masaslap pag invisible.
Pretend lang siya na friend. Diba?
Yo, this guy can't slap me. Lol, this guy can't even slap me in that form. I'm gonna wait until you slap me, okay? Nani? He can't slap me!
Why?
Because he's using spectator and spectator can't slap physical bodies.
Watch your hand mo. Get that. Red. Ewan.
Do you want me to get the slaps from slapping the players?
Bala ka.
Hey.
Pasabog ka na lang doon ng ano. Yung rocket. Ayan, sa'yo.
I killed myself.
What?
So, I can do this. Now I'm fast. Fast. I can trap you in my bed. My bed. Fast. Ow! Too fast, so bad. Ow. Diba ang galing nito? Fast. Oh.
Ano yan?
Stop countering me! Who's slapping? Okay, Builder Brothers Pizza is slapping. Hey, this guy. Okay, you little traitor. I'm gonna slap. Ow. Ah, yes! No, we're gonna die. Slap. Ah!
Don't step on the red spot. It's a mine.
Like, fast. Ow. Fast, fast, ow. Fast, fast, ow.
Siya ba yun?
Fast, fast, ow.
Oh, yan.
Si Builder Brother, diba? Yeah, it's Builder Brothers Pizzas. Naslap ako ba? Yes, hindi pa ako patay. Splash, ow. Flash.
Bakit bumababa?
Ha? Anong bumababa? What's...
Mataas ba yan? Ang slap number mo.
Tumataas, oh. Tignan mo. Ow! Anong nangyari? Tignan mo, oh. 59. 61. Ow.
Yeah, it's coming out.
Hello. Time to slap. Ow. Tignan mo, oh. It's going up, don't you see?
Ayan.
Though it only gives like one slap.
Isang slap lang.
Yeah, cause you're slapping them, not slaps them.
Yan na.
Stop it! Stop doing that! I hate when you do that. Please stop. You look like... Oh man. I'm gonna do Mater.
Ano yan?
Materialize so I can just teleport up. Builder Brother Pizza is up there.
Ayan.
And I occasionally hate him. Ah! Who was that? Speedrun. Slap na nga lang tayo dito sa baba. Kasi I wanna do it. Because... Ow! What's happening? Hey, what?
Lumipad ka na sobra.
Hindi ko. Ah! It's a mine!
Slap mo yan.
67 slaps. How much slaps do we need left? Ah, fast.
Oh.
No! Don't do it again, please. Not again! Ow!
I'm going to Papa.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Oh, it's Rob. It's
Rob.
We're gonna use Mater.
Gusto mo yung ano, yung delayed yung slap?
Ha?
Slap ko siya tapos yung kasaka siya slap.
Gusto mo yung lag?
Lag na yan. Use the lag.
Yung lag ko? I'm just here to alter my boy. Sige, watch mo ako!
Wait lang. Tapos na. Sige lang. Go ahead.
Amen. Hallelujah. Ow! Ow!
Nasunto ka pa rin.
Ito na, linalag ko na siya. Naslap na siya. Okay, lagged. You get slapped. Shoo.
Ano? Slap mo hindi.
Naslap ko. My boy, you ain't slick. Oh, yes! He's not overkill anymore. It's not gonna be an overkill. Oh, no!
Ano? Nasa-slap ko pa rin. Ano ba yung... Ate mo, bulis ka nga. Ang daming buhok.
Ito na, yun-use ko na, oh.
Eh, paano, hindi ka naman maslap. Nabubugbog ka na.
Wait lang. Ito na. Wait lang. Makakaslap na ako.
Ayun.
Ayan, may timer na siya. Tapos masaslap siya. Masaslap siya. Tingnan mo.
Yeah, yan ang gusto
Slap.
ko, di ba?
Slap. Slap. Get
Oo.
slap. Bye-bye.
See?
Ow! How do you slap me?
Delete din.
Why can't I slap you? My guys, stop it.
O, di ba? Yan.
Yan. Masaslap silang dalawa.
Oh, yung malayo. Oh, hindi nila alam kung sino.
880 slaps.
Ano?
Ginan kayo.
Magkano? Ako yung bag ko na pouch. Tsaka yung bag ko.
Mom, I joined the intermission. I will get 171 slaps.
Oh, kung manalo ka.
No! What the? No! Ow! Ow!
Sarado kasi siya.
Patay.
Nanalo ka
Patay!
naman.
Patay! Patay!
Nanalo ka.
Hindi. Namatay ako. Eh, pero you-use up ulit ako.
Ate, pakicompute nga ng sweldo mo. Bibigay ko na pala. Please. I-plus mo na yung last na binayaran.
Okay, builder brother. You got slapped, so you're gonna be slapped in the air. Get slapped in the air. Get slapped in, masaslap siya, tingin mo. Tapos hindi niya alam kung si. That's the best part. Yan. Dinag ko yung sarili ko. Nakaslap ako, nakaslap siya. Kaboom, patay ka. Mamamatay ka na yon.
Yun lang.
Sino yun?
Ikaw nahulog. Patingin, te.
Who wants to go to Brazil? Me. Anong Brazil? Brazil kasi hindi Brazil.
Ito yung dapat. 5, 8, 12. Oh. 5, 8.
Do I do have this? Naman to. Jump! Ah!
5.
I have 888 slaps! How much slaps is it gonna take me? Builder blocks.
Inas ko. Ano yan, te? Saan ka
Nasa
na
slaps.
Hindi.
Nas-
Ilong sa yung barya ko. Sige lang kape.
Who's this? I'll be back, guy.
5, 8. Teka, ito.
I love this glove. It's literally the best glove.
Dalaw ko na kay Boundary. Kakainis.
Nagpadala ka na?
Hindi pa, bukas. Dalaw ko yung number. Wala din silang pangbili na ano.
Dalawa yung naslap ko. Yes! Ha? Ano nangyari? Akala ko namatay ako. Ah!
Teka lang. Itong 12 na to, ang event, ibigay mo na. Bayad mo. Yun nga, ang dami kasi dito.
Ah,
Pinabayad mo.
Piso nga.
Ah!
Yan na, 12.
Look how much.
Pagbibiso rin yun nandiyan.
Money talks!
Tayo.
There kayo.
Kasi yung ano eh.
Kinsi ang. Eh, kasi hindi ka bumibili sa grocery.
Eh, uno pang pera.
Ay! Oops, I did it again. Hey, get sus.
Ilan na? Ate, ito nga, balik mo na.
Ang rami kong
Eh, yung ano, bibili kong gulay.
Magkano?
100?
Kasi yung bibili
I'm
ko
gonna
lang
give you that.
patatas at saka
The whole year of love.
Pagsalik taba.
Get slapped.
Okay na, 100.
Get slappy, slap. Get slappy, slap. 898. Ano nangyari? 899. Ang lapit na natin sa 900. Ayan. Yes, sumaslap ka. Yeah. Let's go, 900. No, that's a lot of money. No way. Is there anything up there? Nothing.
Konti na lang, anak. 100 slaps na lang.
Oo nga, diba?
Go!
Wait.
Ako mag-screw.
Mater. I'm gonna use materialize. Para mapunta ako sa Slapo Island, tapos makakuha ako ng more na mga slap.
Yung island doon ng mga
Mm-mm.
red. Oo, tama.
The Island of Slaps.
May mga free slap. Ayan o, may free slap.
Oh, grami! Ang dami! Dali! Corrector! Yes!
Jump.
Come on, yeah! Let's go!
Hulog ka.
Ang dami!
30 plus agad.
Use ko ulit yung lag love.
Oo. Maganda yun kasi nakakalito. Okay, don't know where the slap.
Tapos tingnan mo yung ability niya. Pag sinap ako, malalag sila. Bad internet yung called ng ability. Bad internet. That means it's gonna pick your most worst internet. Ito na, masaslap ka na. Shoo! Get away from me!
Kaya nakaslap ka na.
Pest control be like. Mater. Come on, keep on slapping me.
May points din yan. Ano yung sabihin?
Ito na.
Going back the
Babalik na ako kasi ang meron Huh!
May isa pa. Dalawa yan.
Ay, meron pa. Nagha-hide. 2 shots lang.
Ano yan? It's hard to go up there.
Yes, that's why I
That's
just...
why. Yun na. Limited lang yung...
Ba't ang marami?
Ano yan?
Ulit na.
Kasi yung nahuhulog.
Finna in. Finna, stop it. Finna lock in.
It's a minute. It's that.
What do you mean finna lock in? Oh, that's me.
Go.
Ang nangyari sa screens per second ko? Wait lang.
What?
I just found something. Like right here. Hey! I'm the king. You're going to... Ah! Oh! Naslap! Sinap. Ah! Ow! Hey, don't slap me off. Alam mo, someday. What was the point of that? Somebody's also using lag. Finna lock in. The hell do you mean finna lock in? Isa-slap ko to. Itong bata na to Gusto maslap eh. Ah! Sinap ko. Sinap ko siya. Pinatay ko siya. Why do I keep doing this? No, this is hilarious. Though,
Yan na lang. Ano?
join ulit ako sa tournament.
Yan na.
Meron bang tournament? Hello? Sinalock in. Use ulit akong speedrun. Mas ma-easier kasi mabilis ka.
Yeah.
How? Why can't I slap you? Naslap! Teenage ako.
Dito sa kabilang side. Pag-jump ka, palitan mo yung ano mo.
I can't get out. I can't get
Bakit ka
out.
nila?
Let me out! What happened? Yes, hindi mo ako naslap. Don't trap me. Yes, jogging tayo. Sino kaya yung kalaro ko? Wala akong kalao. Can I just unlock lag? Dito lang ako, Magwe-wait lang ako para I don't know what the other one is. Don't slap me, please. I'm just using passes. Hey, I'm gonna slap you. Yes!
Di mo na naman binalik na.
Yes! No!
Maglalag ka na.
Ano nangyari? No! Yes! No! I'm not dying.
Ay mo, nakikita rin lahat. Dito ko nilagay.
No! Sige.
Yan, ako dahil. Kasi yan ang punta.
Ang lapit. Punta ako sa Sapel Island.
Yeah, I can get another.
Makakakuha ulit ako mga 10 slap doon.
Ito.
Ito na.
Nalola.
Wala na.
Wala na. Taghirap. Ayun, yung isa pa. Ayan, anak.
Ba't andyan ulit?
Okay na. Kunti na lang, anak.
Hanggang 90 to 100 more slaps nga.
Hindi, kunti na lang, oh.
Speedrun tayo.
Sige, bahala ka dyan.
Kasi mabilis yung speedrun, di ba? So, speedrun tayo. Tatry hard ulit ako. I'm gonna try hard myself to the end of the universe. Wait lang. 81 slaps! Mom, I just got 81 slaps. Yes. Okay, get slapped. Hee. Hope I don't get a golden. Ang rami kong... Yes, nasalap ko siya.
11 slaps na lang. 11 slaps na lang.
Yes! Ang galing natin. Buntik na ako maslap. Ay! I only have...
Pag naka-ano ka nun. Pag
I'm
naka-link ka sa kanya. Puntahan mo siya. Slap mo yung naka-red sa'yo.
No! Look at my slaps! I can't slap anyone!
Where mo?
Yeah!
Kuha ka na ng slap mo. Asa, huwag mo kayo yung slap.
Ay. Oopsies. Wormhole. Let's go!
Mo gusto yung slap na yan.
Where are those?
Ika, wala lang. Kalaban mo. Ano yan? Ba't may mga bilog? Ah. May tao doon? Kumuha ka ng gloves mo. Na bago. Ano yung bilog na yan? Kalaban? Pag nandiyan ka, hindi ka ma-fight?
Ah! Mister, I know what you're trying to do.
Nawawala na si Saysay.
I hate this guy! I hate you!
Why? Huwag ka ma-stress sa kanya. It's okay. Pag ikaw ina-attack niya, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang strongest. Kaya kanya ina-attack kasi ikaw yung threat sa kanila. Ikaw yung threat. To be proud. Kasi they want to kill you. He died again. Gusto ka niya kunin.
Lagi niya ako pinapatay.
It's okay.
Wait.
It's okay.
Wait.
Because he knows that you're a
Wait.
strong
Wait.
competitor.
I can like play another game. I wanna do something like
Nakuha mo na yung bagong slap?
mm,
Anong tawag?
wormhole.
Ano yun?
May portals ako.
Really?
Teleport ako. Lalaro akong hire a fisher. Tingnan mo, pro na ako sa game. No, thank you. Collect. Ito yung mga gnome anglers. May Viking fishers. What is this? I just got a Moorish idol. You're all like a yank of never drop a yank of. Yeah, my pop, soda, pop, so hot, won't stop, soda pop. Yeah. Oh, make you wanna hit the spot. Kang Gu make you. No, pick up.